I'm here at the airport with Tala, and we're gonna do our vlog for. Mom is sitting there. We're gonna do our vlog for. Where are we going? Where are we going?
To ride the airplane.
To ride the airplane. Going to.
What? Davao?
Yes. Yan, dami dyan, oh. Tala. Hi. You like it? Where are you going? Are you dancing?
So slow.
Is it so slow?
Yeah.
Are you excited to ride the airplane?
Yeah. Okay. There.
Oh, there's a play area there. I can see the play area.
I just saw it.
Do you want to play there? Huh?
Almost there. Almost there. Come on. Almost there. Come on. Come on. Oh. Okay. Come on. Almost there. I just want to look at the play area.
Well, alright, do you want to play there? You want to play?
No.
Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I saw the alligator. Yeah, it's for 2 persons. Let's go. Look at the window. It's the airplane.
The airplane is just stopped. Oh, watch out. Watch out the new one. Watch out.
That's where you're riding.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. I'm in my first airplane.
Are you excited? Where's the airplane?
Papa.
Just go, walk. I'll tell you when to stop. At the end, the very end. Walk, fast. Yay, you're inside the airplane. This is what the airplane looks like. Is it what you expected? Now let's go. Go some more. Tala. Do you see this number? Oh, look for number 22. Go forward. Forward. Good evening. Look, go. Number 22. We're looking for number 22.
Papa.
Some more. 20. Here we are. 22. Oh, here on this side. Hey, baby parents. Hi. You're riding the airplane now. And you're using the seatbelt.
Can you help me?
Yes. Are you excited to fly?
Can you help me?
Later we'll wear it. Look outside. Look outside, Tala. Look at the window. What do you see?
Nothing.
Okay, Jay. Alright.
To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and
So
pull
that's how you
free
do
end
it.
to release.
Okay.
In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pin inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic bands sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others.
It's still not flying.
It's still moving so slow.
Look outside. Look outside. Look outside. It's not yet flying. It's not yet flying. It's not yet flying.
Oh, yeah, it is flying. Oh my God.
Now it's flying. Look outside. It's flying now. We're flying now. Look outside. What do you say now? You are flying. You're flying. We're at the clouds now. Tell me, what do you see? What do you see?
This is a non-smoking flight.
We see one.
With the strongest smoke detectors located in the engines is from the airline.
The road.
Wow. We're here in Davao. What can you say about your first airplane? Oh,
I
it's scary.
don't know.
Don't know. We're vlogging.
It's scared when I was inside the clouds. There's water.
Okay.
I'm so scared.
Okay.
But scary.
It's scary when we landed.
Yeah. But boom, don't hit.
Hi, Tala. You're in Davao. In our baggage yet? No? Have you seen it yet? No? No? Oh, just keep looking.
Come to Davao.
Oh, again.
Come to Davao.
Alright. Welcome, Trilla in Davao. This is why we're here. Okay. Finally, we're here inside our room. It's okay. Nice.